checking and testing my Wildfire scooter. Get this onto the on position here. Okay, so we see that this little part's blinking right here, and the gas does go up, but not completely up. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. I've got this squeezed, so let's give this a shot by pushing the button here. That's the noise that happens. Everything else works just fine. Those are my hazards. The rear brake does light up whenever I squeeze the handle. Turn signals work just fine. And yet, even the horn works. Okay, let's try kick-starting it now. Got that up. Okay. Nothing. Let's try that again. Maybe even prime the engine a little bit. Here we go. Nothing. Just does not want to go. Let's try the electric starter one more time just to hear that noise. I don't know what to say.